Let's start modeling a mantis. I'm sure you'll create a piece of art. We're going to use 5 colors of clay: dark green, green, white, blue, and black. First, we're going to make legs. Take a piece of green clay and roll 4 little balls. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers. Hooray! Legs are done. Now make a base. Take a piece of dark green clay and roll 1 middle ball. Then roll into a cone with your hand. Pin it with your finger. Well done! The base is done. Let's make wings. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 2 middle balls. Then roll them into sausages with your fingers. Then flatten them with your hands. You've done it! Wings are done. It's time to make a torso. Take a piece of dark green clay and roll 1 middle ball. Then roll into a cone with your hand. And pin it with your finger. Super! Come on! The torso is done. It's time to make a head. Take a piece of dark green clay and roll 1 middle ball. Hooray! The head is done. Let's make arms. Take a piece of green clay and roll 2 middle balls. Roll them into a cone with your hand. Then roll 2 little balls. And roll them a spindle with your fingers. You've done it! Arms are done. Next, make a mouth. Take a piece of green clay and roll 2 little balls. Then flatten them with your finger. Hooray! The mouth is done. Model antennas. Take a piece of green clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into sausages with your fingers. Well done! Antennas are done. Congratulations! Antennas are done. Now make eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 middle balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. Hooray! Eyes are done. It's time to model pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 little balls. Awesome job! Pupils are done. Great! Your family will love your mantis. Is great. How about another figure?
Give me a high five and make me a friend.